If you get this error on your 2016 to 2024 Volvo XC90 or S90 or many other Volvos of this vintage, I'll show you how to easily replace this battery. So before we get started, I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I'm going to reach down by the footwell and open the hood. Shut the vehicle off. Then I'm going to get out, come up to the front, and you're going to reach in here, and you're going to use this tab here and push it outward, and we'll unlatch the hood, and then you can open it up. I'm going to use an 8mm socket to open up the access cover for the start-stop battery. All right, here's the start-stop battery. Before disconnecting the battery, you want to reach down to this bottom connector, which is the negative connector, and disconnect it. There's a little tab on the left-hand side, and then you're going to pull that out. You can see here, I'm just going to set this aside like that. And going to the rear of the car, you're going to remove this panel where the main battery is, and you're going to disconnect the negative terminal on the main battery. It's going to require a 10mm socket. All right, I got that loose. I'm going to lift this up like this, and then I'm going to use this cloth just to protect it so that that terminal doesn't arc on the post. Moving back up front, I'm going to use an 8mm socket to disconnect the battery. First start here with the negative terminal. Then I'm moving on to the positive terminal. And I'll remove this battery. Now you could test this battery. It'll test below 12 volts. I tested with a voltmeter. It was actually at 8 volts, so I know it's bad. And now I'm going to put my replacement battery in. I run into a small issue with the new replacement battery. Is a little bit taller than the factory battery. I tried to order the factory battery, but it's back ordered. It'll be at least a week to come in, so it's forced me to buy this from my local auto parts store. Now this battery is 200 cold cranking amps and 14 amp hours. This one's only 10 amp hours, 180 cold cranking amps. But what prevents me from installing it is this is the cover, and this post secures the battery in the battery box. But since this post is long, it won't allow me to install this one unless I trim this post. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to mark a scribe line on that and then cut it with a hacksaw, and then I can install the new battery. I got the post on the cover trimmed down. Use the hacksaw. Now I'm going to install the new battery. I'm going to make sure that I put on the negative terminal. Actually, before I do that, let me test fit things. Yep, fits nice and secure. Now I'm going to install the negative and install the positive. Sure. Now reinstall the cover. Put the 8mm bolts on. I'm going to install this safety cap on the positive post, and then I'm going to reach down in here and reconnect the negative terminal. And then I'm going to move to the back. Before reconnecting the terminal here in the back, make sure that it's been at least 15 minutes so that the computer resets and you don't get any fault codes. So I'm going to go ahead, remove this from the cloth, install that, tighten the negative terminal down. Moment of truth here. We're going to start the car. Looks like we get no errors. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.